How big is it? Let's break scale for a second. Earth has hurricanes, sure. But they're barely pimples next to this. At its largest, the Great Red Spot measured over 40,000 kilometers wide. That's more than 3 Earths, side by side, spinning around inside a single storm system. It was the kind of storm that made even veteran astronomers shake their heads in disbelief. But here's the twist. It's shrinking. Yep, this legendary vortex has been getting smaller over the last century. Current estimates say it's about 12,000 kilometers across. Still massive, but a shadow of its former self. And it's not just shrinking, it's also changing shape. What was once a wide oval wound is slowly turning into a more circular form. No one knows exactly why. Could it be dying, evolving, or gearing up for something new? NASA's Hubble Space Telescope has been tracking it closely, and even that eye in the sky can't predict its fate. Every year brings new surprises, rips in its structure, blobs of gas breaking off, or sudden color shifts. It's like the storm is alive, rewriting its own story as we watch. So the next time you see a picture of Jupiter, remember, that red dot isn't just a dot, it's a mystery bigger than Earth, literally.